Hello, this is my final project for the front-end development program. I have created a sticky notes application, which you can see over here. I will expand my screen so you can see the full window. I will go into all of the different features and functionality here in just a moment. For now, I'm going to minimize this. And I will go over my code first. I'm not going to take too much time going over the code. You can take a look at that at your leisure when you'd like, but I will just go through the different elements and components really quickly, and then I will show the functionality of my application. So I'm going to start off here in my source folder. I did the npx create React app to get everything set up. And then within my components here, I have all of the different features of my application you can see. But I'm going to go over my JavaScript file here first, just so you can see how everything's been set up. The main portion of the application here has the different notes using an ID, text, and date element that composes the different notes. And then I also have some functionality in here for different features of the application, including dark mode, and as well as features including delete and adding new notes as well. Then I will go up into my different components, starting with the add note component here. We have the different functionality language written in here to handle the different functions of an add note, such as handling a change and a quick save. And then the next component here we have is the header itself, as well as the dark mode feature, which I will demonstrate shortly. And then we have the notes feature itself, which shows the different excuse me, elements that comprise the note feature. And then we have the notes list here, as well as the search bar. So these are some of the different components here. And then I also have my styling all contained within my CSS folder here as well, which not only styles all the different components, but also the background as well, which is just pretty simple background colors. So that is the CSS folder. So again, I won't take too much time with that, so I'm going to minimize that and spend some more time actually showing you the different functionality here of the sticky note application. So you've got your header up here at the very top, but here is one thing that I really like about this app that I think most people would find very useful is if you have a lot of notes in here, you can search for your notes by a keyword. So for example, I put notes on here with different things I like to do throughout the holiday season. So I want to search for my note that has the word sledding. So I'm just going to type that in, and there it is. I delete that. I could also type in here a keyword like cookies, and there's my note for that one. So nice useful feature there. And then we also have the add new note feature, which is always present. So whenever you need to add a new note, it's there and ready to go for you. Let's say, for example, I want to add a new note of some things that I need to do. So I am going to go shopping for presents. So that's something that I'm going to add to my to-do list, as well as getting oh no, I already have Christmas tree on there. So instead, we're going to say put up Christmas decor in house. So those are some more things that I've added. And you'll notice here I also have a character counter. And this is a really nice feature because it shows you how many characters you have left. I start every note with a 200 character limit because I feel like for something like this, you're not really writing a whole lot of information on here. So it just lets you know, hey, once you get down to that 0, because I'll put in a bunch of other typing here just so you can see it's going down, down, down. Oh, now we're at 0 and it stopped. So, but you can fit a lot of information into these notes. So I feel like that's more than sufficient. And then if you click save, now we've got a brand new note here. So, and then of course you've got your delete feature as well, which gets rid of the note. So some pretty nice things in here. And then the final feature I'd like to show is just the lighter dark mode, because I know with a lot of browsers now that's a big thing. Folks can darken their browser just to make it easier to look at. So you've got a light and a dark mode here. I decided, I know this isn't really a true dark mode, but just because of Christmas, I thought I'd put in a fun color here. But yeah, that is my project in a nutshell. Thank you.